How to see passwords saved on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can see saved passwords on your iPhone. Now, before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. So first of all, you will need to be above iOS 18. To do that or to check that, you can first tap on your settings. So find your settings and open it up. After you open up your settings, you can then simply find General and then just open that up. After you open up General, you'll find iPhone's software update. Tap on software update. Whenever you're on software update, it checks your current software and any updates if available. So make sure you're on 18 or update if you're not. You can also update to the latest version. And after you've done that, you will actually find an app called Passwords now. So search for the app named Passwords. This is the one right here. It should look something like this. You can open that up. It will verify your identity by using your face lock or your password, whichever it is. So from here, you can actually see all of your passwords. You can head over to the all option to see all of the passwords and all the apps related to it. And you can also see codes and security options. And actually, you can also see all of your Wi-Fi passwords now. So you can see all of your passwords from here. And yeah, you can tap on either one and tap on show QR code as well or see the passwords as well. And yeah, basically all of the passwords saved in your device, including your Wi-Fi, including your accounts, everything just gets saved in this passwords app and you can find it rather easily. And yeah, that's how you can see saved passwords on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.